Welcome to Thurston Lava Tube, located here inside the Hawaii National Park and the big island of Hawaii. Okay guys, we're gonna turn left over here, going to the entrance of the Hawaii Volcano National Park in the big island of Hawaii. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Oh. Only one lane right now, the other one is closed. So we are about to pay. I'm not sure how much. Hi guys, we just arrived here in Hawaii Volcano National Park. We are about to take a hike on the trail of the lava tube, the Thurston lava tube, located here inside the Hawaii Volcano National Park. So I'm not really good on looking at the map, but what I can do is explore and find the lava tube. So join me today and with my family, and let's check it out. Okay guys, we are going towards the lava tube, Nahuko Thurston lava tube. Right there, the sign. This is inside the Hawaii Volcano National Park here in the big island of Hawaii. Those are plants and trees that grows here. Those old fern plants, those are really old, maybe more than 100 years old. Hi guys, we are here at the crater. We are about to make the hike going towards the Thurston lava tube here in Volcano National Park. You see all those volcano plants, ohia trees. They're all over. They're probably like 100 years old. And all the fern, wild fern, it mostly grows only here in the volcano. So let's go guys, join us for the hike. A short hike, I would say maybe less than 30 minutes to reach the lava tube. Let's go. Okay guys, this is the entrance going to the crater rim trail going to Thurston lava tube. Let's go. Here with me today, Jerry, hi, and Kyle. Where's Kyle?
I'm not here, I'm not here.
Okay guys. Okay guys, along the way there's a lot of, oh sorry. See that puka over there?
Can we go inside?
That puka,
Okay.
It's hard to see from up here, but those
let's go. Look at the crater, guys. The big crater. We are up here, and there. Yeah, I think so. Guys, this is the crater, volcano. Volcano crater. Look, guys, on the crater of this volcano, there's people walking down there. They're very little tiny. And those people they're walking, they're very tiny. So we're really up high, maybe 600 feet. Guys, so coming here in going to the lava tube, if you get lucky you can park over here close to the trail going to the lava tube, but if not, they have a big parking lot where we park, and then we take the trail coming out this way. So since no more enough parking here, that's why we take the 10 minutes walk.
Too bad we don't have a taxi.
Okay guys, we walk across the street from that trail. We came out from the trail and go across the street, and this is it. Okay, let's go, guys.
We could have just walked over here.
Right?
It's shorter because that one has twists and bends.
Yes. Okay, one-way path. One-way path. That way. Okay, Kyle? Honey? Hopefully it won't rain. This is it, guys. Lava tube entrance.
Because you can grab it. Corona time.
Yeah. No, don't touch, honey.
No, but I don't want to fall. See? Like that.
You're gonna go down the steps going towards the tube. Careful. A lot of fern over here, guys. These ferns is very old, 100 years old, probably over. Tropical rainforest setting over here. Careful. The Thurston lava tube, located here inside the Hawaii Volcano National Park. Let's go, guys, join us for today. We take the trail inside the tube. Let's go. Welcome. Okay, guys, join us today going through this tunnel. Tunnel is 500 years old. It's very old. This is formed when the river of lava, molten lava, and along the way there's light. This is a really beautiful cave, not cave, but lava tube. Water dripping, guys, so when you come here, just be careful. And it's good to have flashlight too, because the light is not enough. And look, it's a bottle. Okay, careful, honey. Beautiful and so relaxing while walking. You hear like some water drip, and really good. My son really wanted to go back. He likes it. So now we came out on the other side of the tube.
I want to go back again.
So
Can we take another lap?
that's it, guys. Thanks for joining us in that beautiful
Can we take another lap
trail,
here?
lava tube. Okay.
One wheel.
One wheel. Good balance. Wow.
Are you sure you want that one? What wheel is? Oh look, look. What is this? Mom, what is this kind of?
Okay, guys, going up.
That's how.
Tingnan mo itong kahoy, guys.
That's how you fish go.
For real?
Yeah, this is the first one. It's not this one.
Right? Different. The shape? Different. Yeah, two of them merged together. How's that happen, huh? Yay, finally we did it. Coming back from our hike to the volcano tube, the lava tube, and we are back to our parking.